We're going to be expanding our welder capacity. Right now we're operating at about 15 to 20. We're going to be up in the vicinity of 50. We're going to need full-time welders, 2 shifts, lots of flexibility in terms of home work-life balance. Starting position, I believe, is starting in around the 25 an hour mark. Welding or any trades are a great option, right? You can go in, immediately start working entry-level positions and work your way up. I'm an example of where you can start as a welder. You can take the next steps through your career. So starting as a welder doesn't mean you may be welding in 10 years from now. It may be that you get into welding and you see, oh, there's non-destructive testing, there's weld inspection, there's all these elements that are incorporated into the manufacturing process that you can step out of and take an educational path to get into those positions.
I've been with the company for almost 7 years, and I was a welder for 5 years, and I am a quality weld inspector now. I chose welding because out of high school, I didn't really want to go to college. My dad worked here for like 20 years, so that was the main reason I knew about it. I didn't really want to move out of Plattsburgh, so for the area, it's one of the best options. Once I was a welder for a few years, I wanted more. I wanted to grow with the company. They'll help you get wherever you want to go. So I went to college, got my degree, and became a weld inspector.
So I started in the Air Force in 2014, did all my training, and ever since then, I do the same thing in the Air Force as I do on my civilian job. I chose a job in manufacturing because it's challenging to me. I'm in charge of the non-destructive testing department. For that, I inspect the parts of the train and we inspect for defects. I love my job.
This is a great opportunity for everybody in our community, outside our community, to bring in people. They've seen a friend do some welding, they've heard a friend do some welding, they know they can get a good career out of it, earn a good stable income. I really encourage you to take advantage of this 3-week 120-hour course. Get the theoretical knowledge behind welding, get the practical knowledge behind welding, so that when you apply for one of our jobs as a welder, you already have that basic principle knowledge to help you be equipped to come in and get hired on here at Alstom.
I feel like it'd be a great opportunity. You know, not every day you get offered free training, and it'd be for a trade, and there's always going to be need for welding. So if they had that under their belt, they're already ahead of the game.
I think the training opportunity in the community would be super beneficial to the younger generation. We're lacking welders, and it's a great starting point to get your foot in the door. If an individual's getting out of the military, a career in manufacturing would be a great place for them to start. If I never found this job, I wouldn't be in the position I'm in now.